my beautiful masterpieces. It's your girl Mona Lisa. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're returning. So as you can see in the title, I have a Michael Kors purse unboxing for y'all today. Alright y'all, so let's just get right into the video. Now I ordered this bag last week and it goes by, I got the free standard shipping. It takes about 5 to 7 business days, and I live in Wisconsin, so I got this in 4 business days. So it's pretty quick shipping. And here's the package. Alright, I already cut it open, but I did not open the actual bag and everything yet. So that's what it looks like. Oops. Dump it out. I'm excited. Now, the cons about this, I ordered gift wrapping. Gift wrapping is an extra $5. This does come in a magnetic box. See? So the flap right here. So with this is a gift wrap. It comes in this box, and it's supposed to have a nice little white bow and come with a personalized card, which they did not give me the white bow or the personalized card. So anyway, and then it comes with this wrapping paper with the MK logos on it. Show you the inside. So you see it's got this extra little bubble wrap, and then I got a tiny purse. So lately, y'all, I've been into the cute little tiny purses. Put that right there. The cute little tiny purse crossbody bags or little handbags. And also in the box they put a return label and just your paper of your receipt of what you ordered. So with that, okay. Some more gift wrap. Now it should come with a dust bag. Look at this, it's so cute. Alright, let me just get all this off. I'm going to take all this off and then I'm going to explain what bag this is to y'all. Feels like it's my birthday. It's not even my birthday. Oh, I should have got some scissors. One second, y'all. So I'm going to open this quick. What is this? Nothing. Extra little gift wrap. I thought these were supposed to come with a dust bag. Hold on a minute. Taking all this stuff off the handle. Give me 1 second, y'all. Look at how cute this is. Oh my god. You see it's got the little MK logos all over, and then the Michael Kors. Then it also comes with this little bag charm, the MK. And this is in the color Acorn and brown and acorn. This bag was a total with taxes, it was $140. It was on sale for $126 plus tax, and then the $5 gift wrap. So second, okay, and then the inside, clean it up. This is the strap to make it the crossbody bag. Okay, so the strap is the acorn color. We've got more gift wrap to bubble wrap on the inside. Everything, make sure I'm not forgetting anything or missing anything. It's a lot in there. It's a whole lot. Wait a minute, it's the postman. I wonder what's inside. Nothing. I'm gonna have to double check because I thought this came with a dust bag. Like, what is this? Okay, and then the inside has the Michael Kors logo in there, where you could put your like cards. Nice little space. And then just the tag. Can't even see it. But this is the Bedford Legacy extra small duffel crossbody bag. Beautiful. I can't wait to wear this. This is like a cute little everyday bag that can match with any color. So it kind of reminds me of a Louis Vuitton. Oops. Oh, and then it comes with a little booklet, care booklet on the inside. Okay. Well, thank you for tuning in. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a big fat thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I love you, and I'll see you next time.